What is up, you beautiful people? In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly to create AI UGC ads which you can use for your product or service businesses. I find it especially helpful for coaching businesses. The twist here is this is specifically built for Indian audiences. You see, most AI UGC content out there, it's very internationalized. You can obviously create Indian ads there. The only problem is uh, neither the characters nor the framework is very much suited to an Indian audience. So that is why this is a tool that I figured out. But look at the output first. Let's see.
If you're trying to start a coaching business, listen. People think you need a massive following. I thought so too, until I found the one secret to getting clients. Grab my free course below and start today.
It's a very small 12-second ad that I created. Now, the tool that we'll use is called getcoro.app. It's a pretty decent uh, tool for building AI UGC maker specifically for Indian audiences. I like the niche that they have picked, and they do all sorts of things. AI UGC videos, product videos like this. You just upload like a product, and they do the thing. AI image ads that could look like this, and photo shoots as well. So pretty much these are different actors that they have come up with, and I think these are pretty okay. And with a little bit of editing, these obviously will look pretty good. Okay, now let's look at the pricing. It's actually not too bad. I have taken the 1,000 rupees a month pricing. So let's say you have a 30-second video, you can create 3 of those in a month. And let's say you have 30-second videos, so you can create 6 of those. Obviously, if you want to do a little more, for example, if you want to do, I don't know, 60-second videos, which is like a full 1 minute reel, and you want to make sure that you do almost 20 to 30 a month, you can pay like 10,000 bucks. So actually not too bad, because if you are somebody like me who is constantly running ads and creating these, this is, I think, one of the best ways to create these actors. You can also do a pricing calculation. So let's say uh, you need 60-second UGC videos. You can usually create like 6 videos out of 3,500. So they have different plans. I have taken this just for the demo. So let's have a look on how this tool could work. Okay, so let's go back. I have already logged in. So click on the dashboard. You will come over here. Now you can pick if you want talking actors UGC or producted and hand UGC videos or mobile app. So basically, if you have a mobile app, you can upload like a brief recording of the screen, and it will show the app scrolling right here. Okay, or this is something like where they show like a demo UGC video similar to a mobile app style. Okay, now let's look at a simple one, which is like talking actors UGC video, and in maybe the future videos I can cover a lot more. Now you can pick the kind of people you want. Let's say I want a middle-aged guy because I have my target audience is middle-aged. We help people start and build their coaching businesses. All right, then you can easily do, let's say, East Indian. Who do I get? All right, I don't know. Let's just pick one. I didn't like that actor. Uh, Say we created, I don't know, let's pick somebody. Let's pick this one. This guy looks nice. Okay. Now you can pick the language that you want. Let's say I want Hindi language. Oh, I could have just selected that person. Where is that? Let's say this one. This is very stock market-y vibe. So let's just use this. Hit next. Now you can write like a script here, and they have this thing like what the actor should say. You don't need to write like where to do pause and everything. And they have some sort of script writer going on here, which you can use to like create good script, or you can just write on your own. Okay. So I like to write my own. So typically I write like this: coaches, consultants, coaches and marketing agencies. Let's see, I will help you get 30 to 50 high ticket sales appointments in the next 30 days with my or you don't pay, let's say. And then we'll be like, we do this, by helping you launch a simple video based lead magnet that allows you to run and get leads and nurture leads 24/7 without ever showing up on camera. If this is interesting, this sounds interesting, click the link below and schedule check free video that shows you our system. Okay, small ad, and this is English. You can obviously have a Hindi or English sort of videos, and if you want, you can just obviously do like a premium UGC. I tend to go for this. Now click on next, and it does some processing, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes before it actually launches the ad. Okay. Oh, I selected this actor. Wait, I need to. Should just go back to a different actor, but okay, you get the point. I'll just click on generate, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to build this whole thing, and we can come back once it has done doing this. Now you can come here and check your projects. It shows up here, okay? And although I have not produced any images, it takes like, you can create those. But yeah, definitely play around. It's like some $1,000, definitely worth testing and trying out, okay? And the one that I showed you before the video started, this is the one that I created right here, okay? So let me come back once the rendering is done, and I'll show you how the final product looks like. All right, so let's see how this came up. Let's see how it looks like. So let's just play this.
Coaches and marketing agencies, I will help.
Oh, let me just download this. All right, there you go. So I know the vibes are a little stock marketing, but just play along. Okay, let's play this.
Coaches and marketing agencies, I will help you get 30 to 50 high ticket sales appointments in the next 30 days, or you don't pay. We do this by help you launch a simple video-based lead magnet that allows you to get and nurture leads 24/7 without ever showing up on camera. If this sounds interesting, click the link below and check a free video that shows you our system.
Pretty nice, right? So this is how easy it is to create these. So I'm looking forward to you creating these. And if this was helpful, let me know in the comments.